Y'all, the internet craze is all about these smash burger tacos. And I'm here to tell you they are good. And I am going to show you how to make them. So sit tight, it's going to be some good groceries. That's some good groceries. All right, so first things first, we need to make a really awesome sauce for this, and I'm going to show you my really awesome sauce. We're going to use half a cup of mayonnaise, about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a little squirt of mustard. Then we're going to come in with some sweet relish. Then we're just going to use some brine from these pickles, and that's just going to thin it out real nicely. If you find that it's really thin, add a little bit of mayonnaise. And once it gets to the consistency that you like, this is the way I like it right here, you're good to go. All right, let's give this a try. Tangy, sweet, creamy from the mayonnaise. That's going to go good on our tacos. All right, let's talk about toppings. Toppings, endless here, y'all. I'm going straight classic. Lettuce, tomato, onion. All right, so let's talk about our beef. We're going 80-20 ground chuck. I like the 80-20 ground chuck. It's got a perfect amount of fat, perfect amount of meat. And then whenever you press it down, a lot of that fat just kind of comes down and it fries your tortilla. That's what makes these tacos awesome. So what I like to do is take about a 2 to 3 ounce ball. And I've made smash burgers enough over my time to know about what a 3 ounce ball is. Now, a little life hack for you. You can use a 1/4 cup and just kind of scoop it, and that is about 3 ounces. Hussey giving you tips today, y'all. Just make a little ball. You don't want it really tight, but you don't want it really loose either. You want to use this time while you're doing this to pre-warm your Blackstone griddle. We're going to need this about a medium-high heat, maybe high. You really want a really nice hot griddle for this, y'all. To make these smash burger tacos go really easy, I'm going to use this 4-piece hamburger kit from Blackstone Griddles. You can find this at your nearest Lowe's Hardware. And it comes with a really cool smasher. One good thing I like about this smasher is the material is not like cast iron, so it's not going to rust on you really good. It's well made. It'll take a beat. You can mess somebody up with that right there. Comes with some parchment paper, comes with a nice spatula, and it comes with a nice cover as well. So let's talk about our tortillas of choice. These Old El Pasos work for me. This is a taco and fajita size. All right, now get your smash burger balls down on the griddle. Try to create enough space so that your tortilla doesn't overlap. Little seasoning here. We're going to add, this is just my own seasoning that I use. And then we're going to come in to each one of these balls and we're going to top it with our tortilla. All right, now you take your tortilla, you smash them down, and you might have to give it a little bit of a twist. As you can see, that grease just kind of pulls up and that fries your tortilla with it too. Plus, it gets soft because it's nice and steamy. Look at the caramelization on that. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go come in with our cheese, some American cheese. Hey guys, hey, down in the comments, what kind of cheese do you do on your burgers? Are you an American cheese guy? I know I am. Sometimes I get a little crazy and I go white American. That's right. You like cheddar, you like the provolone, the Goudas in the world? Let me know down below. And some people are going to say American is terrible. Not true. Hey, I appreciate you watching thus far. If you don't mind, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. Y'all, these things, they're done. We're going to take them off the griddle. Oh man, look at that. Nice and crispy, but soft, subtle. Golly, boy, it's going to be some good groceries. Y'all, I'm just going to level with you. This spatula is great for burgers. Love this thing. You could probably use this to smash your burgers with as well. So if you wanted to kind of come down like that, probably use it as well instead of the smasher. But I like using the smasher. Whew, boy, look at these things, y'all. So, look at that, nice and crispy. Ooh, you see that? Ooh, that's flavor. I guarantee it. Even old Maggie girl, look at that, boy. She's licking her lips. Dang it, girl. Hey, let's finish these dudes up because I'm a little hungry. I want to eat these things, all right? We'll come in here with our secret sauce. First, a little bit of lettuce. We'll come in here with a little bit of red onion. Now, a little tomato. We got our lettuce tomato on there. I think lettuce tomato always needs a little bit of seasoning. So I'm going to come in here with a little bit of this essential blend. Just a little bit, a little post-dusting, as some might say. CJ. Shoo-wee doggies. Always say it, favorite thing of this job. Giving these groceries a try. Cheers, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm. Amazing. Mm. That crispy tortilla, it just does something that's fried in that beef fat. And then the burger has that nice browning also. The sauce that we made, awesome sauce. The cheese. Gosh almighty, this is so good. Mm. Y'all, I sure appreciate you stopping by. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find really awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.